Alright guys, so today I'll be showing you the Riffle shuffle. This is pretty easy once you have practiced it a lot, and then at the end I'll also show you the bridge, that's the Riffle shuffle and that's the bridge. So first of all, we need to know the grip. The grip is basically, so you hold it in your dominant hand. I'm right-handed, so I hold it in my right hand. So you got your middle finger, ring finger, and pinky on the bottom, because you'll hold it this way. Your index finger is going to be curled around just in the middle, just like that, without my hands, and then your thumb is going to be on top, just like this. So you got your 3 fingers down here, your pinky, ring, middle finger on the bottom, and your index finger is curled up just in there, and your thumb is on the top. Now to get even, like just about half, you're gonna riffle down about half the deck with the help of your other hand. So you're gonna use this hand and just put all your fingers up against the deck, and your thumb can just be poking out whatever's comfortable for you. And it's just gonna be supporting the cards as you riffle down with your thumb, just here. Just riffle about half. It doesn't matter if it's exact. It doesn't have to be exact, just about half. And after that, you're just going to push off with these 3 fingers. So like this, you're going to push off this packet of cards with the fingers below. Oops. So just like this, and you're going to push it off with these 3 fingers down here. Just like that. Just like so. And now you're going to grab the grip in the same grip I told you earlier. 3 fingers on the bottom, pinky, pinky, ring, middle, index curled, thumb on top. So I'll go through that one more time. You've got this grip here, your 3 fingers, pinky, ring, middle, index curled, thumb on top. You're going to use this hand, your thumb can poke out, riffle down about half, doesn't need to be exact, and you're going to push off with these bottom 3 fingers. So once you've got half, push off, grab the deck in the same grip I told for the starting grip for both packets. Now for the riffle bit, you're just going to need to basically just riffle down the deck while they're close together. So just practice this for a bit, where you just riffle down with your thumb and let go one at a time, and just be really controlled with the cards. And you can do them at the same time, and just practice that. Basically, you just need to practice the riffle shuffle until you get it right. Alright, so once you have that down, you're going to put it close together, and it should be like that, all mixed up. Alright, so once you've done that, you can just push it together like this until you've learnt the bridge, and just keep on practicing that a lot until you've got it like 100%. And don't do the bridge just yet. You just want to push it together for now until you've got it, like you can do it all the time and you don't mess up. You're not doing like big blobs or anything. And then you're ready for the bridge, which sort of looks like that. And it's just basically, you're here from your riffle shuffle, and so it doesn't matter what side is what, it doesn't matter if it's like that or this side is on top, it doesn't really matter. But what does matter is your grip. So how you're going to do it is that, so you're here, and I like to put, so whatever card is on top, I put my thumb on the card that's on top, and then I put my other thumb on just in the middle of both of them. So my thumb is touching this card but also on that, so just in the middle of the whole thing, and then my other one is just on the top card. And if it was on like this, and I would have this on the top and this sort of in the middle there. It doesn't really matter, whatever case you have. So we'll go from here, and that's in the middle. Now your other fingers down the bottom are going to be like that. So you've got all 4 fingers just on the edge of each one, of each side, and you're just going to curl it like a tunnel, really. And you're going to slowly, if you let go of your thumbs like that, it'll just go like that. Oh. You don't want to do that. You do not want to do that. You want to let go with your fingers at the bottom and release pressure there. So go to Riffle shuffle, and then your thumb is out like this. Your fingers are on the bottom like this, making a tunnel. Your thumbs stay the same, and you're gonna just let go with your fingers, and slowly release pressure with your palms. So like this. And you just want to make sure you practice this a lot. And so more about the pressure, you're going to let go of your fingers just to make sure that they don't. And you're going to let go just a bit of pressure around your palm/fingers down the bottom, and it should work after a bit of practice. Just like that, and let go. Just like that. Now, I'll go through it one more time. You're like this, in this grip, 3 fingers here, index, thumb. Use this hand to support, riffle down about half. Use these 3 fingers to push off. Have the same grip in both hands. Like this, 3 fingers, index, thumb. You're gonna riffle down with your thumb, just try to do it one by one. And now for the bridge, your thumbs, so your thumb is going to be on top of whatever card is on top, and then your other thumb is just going to be in the middle of the second and top one. So if it was the other way around, then my thumb would be here and in the middle of these 2 cards. Say if there was multiple cards like that, then I would still have 1 finger here, 1 finger just in the middle. Just like that. And afterwards, just like this, and you're going to use your 4 fingers down here just to curl it, bend it almost like a tunnel, release pressure from around your palms and fingers, and slowly let it go. So yeah, that's the Riffle shuffle, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and just keep on practicing, really. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.